Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of sneakers. Today we will be reviewing the iconic New Balance 2002R with on-feet sneak preview. With uppers inspired by running shoe designs of the 2000s but with a sleek and modern take, these sneakers are the perfect addition to any wardrobe. Featuring a premium suede and mesh upper, the 2002R offers both durability and breathability. The ABZORB cushioning in the midsole provides superior support and shock absorption for every step. Step into ultimate comfort with the cushioned collar and tongue that offer a snug fit. The N-Erg rubber outsoles offer excellent traction and durability and provide superior shock absorption, perfect for all types of terrain. Experience a lightweight feel with the Revlite foam, giving you a spring in your step. The 2002R is designed to be versatile and perfect for both casual wear and athletic activities. They are true to size, so order your usual size. Whether you're hitting the gym or running errands, these sneakers have got you covered. Get ready to turn heads with the eye-catching colorways and sleek silhouette of the New Balance 2002R. With Activa Light, N-Erg, and Stability Web technologies that give you the support and comfort you need to power through your day. And a price tag of just about $140 retail, you won't go wrong with the New Balance 2002R. There you have it, folks. New Balance 2002R features an on-feet review. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more interesting sneaker videos. Until next time, happy shopping!